Good morning, dear students. Today we have SPCC chapter 2, that is effective letter writing and its various styles. I hope you all are doing well. Let's start today's lesson. In the present age of internet, effective communication skills play a vital role in expanding business, individual and professional success. Modern methods and means of communication have almost diminished the boundaries of place and time. Different classes in the society look for various means of communications to stay connected constantly with one another and have accept various means of communication. Modern methods of communications are speedy, effective, economical, and simpler, so are widely accepted and popular. Okay, you all are using modern equipments, so you know everything. And keeping in mind the attitude, nature, training, mental makeup, and circumstances of people of India, and we evaluate the method of communication. Present time, we observe that people of our country in the recent age largely rely on letter writing for business and official matters. Of course, the form of letter writing has changed, but its importance has not decreased. Now, the history of letter writing. The history of letter writing is quite ancient. In the olden days, pigeons were used for communication. During the British rule in India, well-planned and organized form was given to communication and letter writing. Indian Post and Telegraph Department started speed post services to make the services speedier. Due to business, educational and social letter writing, the number of letters increased day by day, and as a result, with the new form of distributing letters, popularly known as Angadiya and courier private services of delivering letters got introduced. With the introductions internet, the most modern service for letter राइटिंग कॉल्ड ईमेल कैम इनटू एग्जिस्टेंस. आप सभी का ईमेल आईडी होगा, तो आप सबको ईमेल आईडी के बारे में तो पता होगा. ओके, कुछ भी ऑफिशियल और प्रोफेशनल डॉक्यूमेंट्स या मैसेजेस वो सब है वो ईमेल के थ्रू ही होता है. द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ लेटर राइटिंग. It is simple and reasonable method of communication. It is important and useful for the writer and receiver of the letter. दोनों के लिए important है. It has no boundaries of place and time. Place and time की कोई boundaries नहीं होती. It is recognized as the evidence of information for which the letter is written. Evidence means एक proof, information का एक proof रह जाता है letter की वजह से, written letter की वजह से. Information that is content of a letter can be kept confidential. इसको हम confidential भी रख सकते हैं. If required in future, the concerned information can be reused. अगर फ्यूचर में कुछ ज़रूरत हुई तो हम उसको वापस यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Letters are easily sent and received. It is a link between writer of the letter and its receiver. The writer of letter establishes an image of the former institution. ओके, फॉर्मल इंस्टीट्यूशन की इमेज है वो जो लेटर का जो राइटर है वो एस्टैब्लिश करता है. राइट. लेटर बॉक्स इज इट साइलेंट रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ द कंसर्न फॉर्म. लेटर बॉक्स है वो कोई भी फॉर्म है उसको रिप्रेजेंट करती है. राइट. So these are the characteristics of letter writing and types of letter writing. There are mainly two types of letter, that is formal letters and informal letters. Characteristics of letter writing have placed letter at a very high place as a means of correspondence in communication sector. letter writing has become an important element in the business sector. But after the characteristics, the types of letter, there are two types of formal letter, that is business letters and official letters. Business letter, that is letters written with the purpose of advertising and expanding business. For letter of inquiry, letter of order, letter of agency, etc. Official letters, that is letters written to the institutions regarding administrative matters. For example, application letters regarding ration card, water problems, etc. I hope you understand. The next topic is business letter. When there is an exchange of information between one individual and other, between two institutions, or between individual and institution through letter writing, it is known as correspondence. When this correspondence is carried out for business, it is called business correspondence. Briefly, we can say that the business letter is an inseparable part of business activity. Effective business correspondence is result oriented and is written with specific purpose, that is why it should be drafted carefully. The effective business correspondence. Okay. Business transactions, understanding of contract, promotion of the product, sale, advertisement, business negotiation, grievance, compromise and adjustment, etc. are covered in business correspondence. Okay. Certain specific terms are used in business correspondence. Its vocabulary is different. जिस टाइप का लेटर है उस हिसाब से उसकी vocabulary तो अलग अलग होगी ही. So we can say that communication that takes place with the purpose of business in a proper format and having specific vocabulary is known as commercial communication. Right? So कोई भी बिजनेस को अगर हम जितना ज़्यादा एक्सपांड करेंगे उतना ही उसमें ये सब कम्युनिकेशन, कॉमर्शियल कम्युनिकेशन है वो ज़्यादा रहेगा. राइट. सो बिजनेस लेटर इज़ वेरी नेसेसरी फॉर एवरी बिजनेस. Business is one of the important pillars of the financial assets of any company. It is also a means to obtain employment and income for people. The trends of business keep on changing, and in the changing trend, one has to be in touch with customers related to business, manufacturers, distributors, firms, institutions, government and its machinery to survive in business. And for the development of business letters play a vital role in developing and spreading business by being in constant touch and reading minds of people. Business letter works as a salesman and boosts business activities. They create prestige and good image by giving information to customers regarding the product. There is no exaggeration if we say that business letters are the most simple, economical and effective medium of advertisement for any business firm. Okay. Business correspondence is an important tool for business activity, its development and growth. That's why business correspondence should be effective. If our letter serves the motive of our business, then only it is called effective business correspondence. The communication through letters, which increases the sale of the products, develops long-term relations with customers, bring collection from their clients, removes misunderstanding that prevails among customers, and create positive image of the business firm effectively is called effective business correspondence. सपोज कोई रॉ मटेरियल अगर हमें मंगवाना है, उसका ऑर्डर करना है, राइट, तो जो रॉ मटेरियल चाहिए उस हिसाब से ही अगर हमें इंफॉर्मेशन दी हो क्लियर, तो हमें वही रॉ मटेरियल मिलेगा। कब मिलेगा, कैसे मिलेगा, वो सब अगर सही सही लिखा है तो ही वो रॉ मटेरियल हमें जिस हिसाब से हमने मांगा है उस हिसाब से मिलेगा, और फिर हम फिनिश गुड्स प्रिपेयर करके हम मार्केट में सेल कर सकते हैं। तो ये सभी जो एक्टिविटीज है बिजनेस की, वो एक दूसरे के साथ कनेक्टेड है। अगर बिजनेस लेटर्स का इम्पोर्टेंस इसमें ना हो तो ये सब एक्टिविटीज है उसमें ऑब्स्टेकल्स आ सकते हैं, राइट। सो बिजनेस लेटर इज वेरी एसेंशियल matter for the business. Then characteristics of effective business correspondence. A business letter would become effective if characteristics of letter writing are taken care of. The style of writing a letter should be simple, brief, clear, lucid, and should reflect a customer-oriented attitude. The matter should be clearly and systematically represented in the letter. The content of the letter should be communicated in a systematic way, in an easy to understand and courteous language, and appropriate vocabulary should be used. There are 7 characteristics of an effective and good business letter. That is clarity, conciseness, completeness, concreteness, consideration, correctness, and courtesy. First one is clarity. The matter written in the letter should be clear so that no query or any misunderstanding arise in the mind of the receiver. For example, ambiguous writing, 20% discount will be given to the person who purchases from us. And writing with clarity, that is 20% discount will be given to the person who purchases from us the goods worth ₹5,000 at a time. So इसमें क्लियर किया गया है कि 5,000 रुपीज और एट अ टाइम, राइट। सो क्लैरिटी होनी जरूरी है। देन सेकंड वन इज कंसाइजनेस. Conciseness is the soul of a letter. Letters should be brief with minimum required and befitting words. A brief letter reduces expense and becomes effective. It saves time for writing as well as reading it. फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेंथी राइटिंग है तो लेंथी राइटिंग में अगर हमें एक्सप्लेन करें कि वी आर इंटरेस्टेड इन परचेजिंग बुक्स, ड्राइंग बुक्स, पेपर्स, नोटबुक्स, पेंसिल्स, रबर, color, etc. And in brief writing we can write like we are interested in purchasing various items of stationery. राइट। सो स्टेशनरी में सब ये आइटम्स आ जाएगी, ड्राइंग बुक्स, पेपर, नोटबुक्स, पेंसिल, रबर। इसके लिए सब कुछ लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है। सो ब्रीफ राइटिंग होना चाहिए, स्वीट एंड शॉर्ट, राइट। थर्ड वन इज कंप्लीटनेस. लेटर शुड बी कंप्लीट विथ ऑल रिक्वायर्ड डिटेल्स. एंड इनकम्प्लीट लेटर creates doubt in the mind of the receiver. In that case, the letter must be written again. If such step is not taken, it may result in slowing down the business activity and ultimately business suffers. Incomplete writing. Goods have been dispatched as per your order. Complete writing. As per your order dated 12th April, 20 blankets and 15 pillows have been dispatched today through Raj Transport. राइट। तो इट्स कंप्लीट राइटिंग कि सब इंफॉर्मेशन दी गई है। 20 ब्लैंकेट्स, 15 पिलोज, डेट कौन सी 12th अप्रैल को जो ऑर्डर दिया था वो, और वो किसके थ्रू आएगा, राज ट्रांसपोर्ट के थ्रू, और कब डिस्पैच होगा, टुडे। सो इट्स कॉल्ड कंप्लीट राइटिंग, राइट। देन फोर्थ वन इज concreteness. Content of the letter should be concrete. The words used in the letter should convey one and only one meaning so that no confusion arises in the mind of the reader. Okay? In concrete writing, we are interested in purchasing some chairs. Concrete writing, we are interested in purchasing 25 chairs of number 7. So ये इसमें बताया गया है क्लियरली, राइट। उसका जो एक ही मीनिंग हो, ऐसा डबल मीनिंग नहीं होना चाहिए। सम चेयर्स यानी कौन सी चेयर, तो वो क्लियर नहीं हो रहा है। तो सब जो भी वर्ड्स यूज किया जाए उससे इंफॉर्मेशन क्लियर होनी चाहिए, राइट। देन फिफ्थ वन इज कंसिडरेशन। The latter should contain reader-centric approach. The content, language, selection of the words should be suitable to the position, dignity and understanding of the receiver of the letter. Importance should be given to the attitude and approach of the customer. For example, self-centric attitude. We are opening a new branch in Godhra for profit and scope of our business. But reader-centric attitude, we are opening a new branch in your city for the facility of regular customer like you. नेचुरल है कि सबको अपना इम्पोर्टेंस सामने वाला दिखाए तो अच्छा लगता है, राइट। सो ये जो रीडर सेंट्रिक एटीट्यूड, मतलब जो रीडर है, जो लेटर पढ़ रहा है, उसको ध्यान में रख के हमें लिखना चाहिए ताकि उसको अच्छा लगे, ओके। देन सिक्स्थ वन इज करेक्टनेस। The content of business letters should be correct from language and facts point of view. Incorrect language and false content create a bad image of the firm. It harms the prestige of the firm. For example, incorrect writing, we are receive your letter. So, ये incorrect writing हुई. Correct writing, we have received your letter. Right? So, correctness is necessary. Then seventh one is courtesy. The content and language of business letters should be modest and courteous. Mannerly and modest language strengthens relation between customer and seller and makes the relationship respectable and intimate. Thanks, please, excuse, etc. words make the letter modest and mannerly. Okay. Non-courteous writing. You have been careless in making the payment of the goods you have purchased. But in courteous writing, you are requested to make the payment of goods as early as possible. The above mentioned characteristics of letter achieve business purpose and make correspondence effective. In making business correspondence effective, the structure and writing of the letter are important. So now, style of business letter. Business firms adopts various types of style of business letter. Each business firms adopts a style of business letter according to the tradition, custom and convenience. Normally, 6 styles are found in business letter, that is fully blocked style, semi-indented style, modified block style, fully indented style, hanging indented style, and norma style. In recent times, the following 2 styles of business letters are more popular, that is fully block style and modified block style. The structure of both the styles are given in next slide. First one is fully blocked style. The most modern style of letter writing. Date, inside address, salutation, body of a letter, complimentary clause and signature are written on the left side of the letter. Salutation means you can say Abhivadan, right? No punctuation marks are used in this style. विराम चिन्ह का use इसमें नहीं हो सकता. All details are written on left side of a letter, so right side is found unused. Right side की है वो unused ऐसे ही रहती है. It is quite easy to type in this style. Okay. So structure of fully block style. Heading, then date, inside address सब कुछ left side में है. फिर salutation है. फिर बॉडी ऑफ द लेटर, फिर कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री क्लोज बोलते हैं ना, योर सिंसियरली, वो सब जो सिग्नेचर के बिल्कुल ऊपर लिखते हैं वो उसको कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री क्लोज बोलते हैं. कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री क्लोज देन सिग्नेचर. सो इट्स अ स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ फुली ब्लॉक स्टाइल. Then modified block style. It is the most popular method of letter writing. Inside address rotation and main part of the letter are written on the left side of the letter. Date of the letter complementary clause and signature are written on the right side of the letter. Date, complementary clause and signature. Punctuation marks are used in this letter. फुली ब्लॉक स्टाइल में पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स यूज नहीं करते थे, इसमें कर सकते हैं. All details of letter are distributed on both the sides so the letter gets a balanced look. This type of letter should be carefully typed. ओके क्योंकि कुछ मैटर्स है वो लेफ्ट साइड है, कुछ मैटर है वो राइट साइड है. तो डेट, कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री क्लोज एंड सिग्नेचर है वो राइट साइड है और एड्रेस, सैल्यूटेशन और बॉडी ऑफ द लेटर है वो लेफ्ट साइड है. ओके, I hope you all understand and enjoyed well. We will discuss exercise in Zoom meeting. और सबको Zoom meeting अटेंड करना है. हाँ, ओके, थैंक यू.